Back when I was a child, before life removed all the innocence, my father left me high and danced with my mother and me, and then spin me around till I fell asleep. Then up the stairs he would carry me, and I know for sure I was loved. If I could get another chance, another walk, another dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. How I love, love, love to dance with my father again. Ooh, ooh. When I and my mother would disagree, with my way I would run from her to him. He'd made me laugh just to comfort me, yeah, yeah. Then finally make me do just what my mama said. Later at night he was asleep. He left $1 under my sheet. Never dreamed that he would be gone from me. If I could steal one final glance, one final steps, one final dance with him, I'd play a song that would never ever end. How I love, love, love to dance with my father again. Sometimes I'd listen outside her door, and I heard my mama would cry for her. I pray for her even more than me. I pray for her even more than me. I know I'm praying for much too much, but you could send her the only man she loves. I know you don't do it usually, but dear Lord, she's dying to dance with my father again. Every night I'd fall asleep, and this is all I ever dream.